Hey, how are you today? This is Rob Borsek with robertborsek.com and Robin Maxey's Marketing Minutes. And today we're going to talk about a subject that's near and dear to my heart, and that's passive income. And one of the ways to do that is by using membership sites. Now, the beauty of membership sites is you can create reoccurring passive income for work you do ahead of time. And one of the products that I'm going to talk about that teaches you how to do this is called the Easy23. Now, the Easy23 is by a really good marketer. His name's Cam Jennings. And here we are in the site. So I'm showing this to you. And the Easy23 is about setting up simple membership sites. In fact, this program here takes you through 23 different easy membership sites that you can set up and get going with. Now, when you get the Easy23, you're going to come on in here, and it's composed of a series of video modules and some cool bonuses. Each one is really easy laid out. There's also a mind map, which Cam uses quite heavily to take you through the different membership programs that he talks about. And then he talks about setting up your support system, which I don't want to delve into, but you'll understand that when you purchase this product. So really easy layout here. Cam also gives you some additional stuff in here, which is really kind of cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you. He intros you. You'll learn about his history, what he's done, how he makes his money, how he made his money, how he makes his money now, which is really cool. So you'll come in here and there'll be some videos and we'll go through. Now, each one of these videos is not a 5-minute or 10-minute video. I'm going to start it just for a minute just to show you. If you look down here, this video in particular is a 40-minute video. So there's a lot of content here. There's a lot of value here in this program. And each one takes you through, and then there's different videos to get going with. Like I said, each one will start. This one's over an hour. Module 7. Here's a free workshop. He goes into depth on different things. That workshop alone is over an hour. He gives you a series of bonuses in here, different things that were previously past purchased products that you could get in here. So I really like this. I really recommend this. I've gone through the whole Easy23, and I've got a whole thing on notes that I've taken from it, different membership sites, and Cam always has a great way of explaining things. He's very down to earth. If you haven't purchased one of his products before, this is a wonderful time to enter his world. The cost is low during the launch. What I also do is I also have my own really cool bonus for you. This is almost your super easy 24 to get you started with. My bonus is below, and it's only available during the launch time. So make sure you get it. What it is your own membership site that you can get started with, and it comes with a sales page and a sales video, and you'll just love it. So if you're having trouble, you're going to go through this, and you're going to be like, all right, I got all these great ideas, and I'm still trying to figure out what to do. This will help get you going. You can actually sell this membership site. And what you can do too is make sure that you add yourself as a member into the membership site, so you can go through and see how it's organized. It's a professionally designed membership site, and the videos that are available and the things that are in there. But this will help get you going. So not only will you have the Easy23 that'll help teach you about membership sites, you're going to have your own membership site too. So I really hope you like it, and take care.